We've all heard it, and we've all said it. I know I should exercise, but I just don't feel like it. I really need to go to the dentist, but I'm terrified. I'd love to meet up with my old colleagues, but it brings back bad memories. Sound familiar? These are the kinds of sentences our minds are experts at creating. ACT therapists sometimes call this the but machine, because the brain constantly inserts a but between what we want and what we feel. And here's the thing. Not all buts are created equal. Sometimes, a but describes a real limitation. I'd love to fly like a bird, but I don't have wings. Fair enough, that's physics. But more often, the but is pointing to something else, a feeling we don't want to feel, a memory we'd rather avoid, or discomfort we're trying not to face. That's a different kind of but, and it's not a wall, it's a choice. Take this sentence. I'd like to go to the dentist, but I'm scared. What happens if we change just one word? I'd like to go to the dentist, and I'm scared. That's not denial. It's truth. It makes space for both your values and your feelings. Or this one. I want to reconnect with my sister, but she refuses to talk to me. That's a hard reality, and it may not change. But what if you said, I want to reconnect with my sister, and it hurts that I can't? Now you're not fighting your emotions. You're acknowledging them. You're telling your story honestly, without letting the but cancel out what matters. That's the power of and. I'm anxious, and I'm showing up. I'm tired, and I'm taking a step forward. I don't feel ready, and I'm still willing. In acceptance and commitment therapy, this shift is more than semantics. It's a practice of psychological flexibility, the ability to stay connected to your goals and your inner world, even when they clash. Because life isn't either or, it's both and. So the next time your mind gives you a but, ask, can I make space for this feeling and take action anyway? You might be surprised how much power lives in that one simple word, and.